Ngayon, Alan, dito ka muna, Alan. Oh, pag-usapan natin, Mercy app ng day-to-day, di ba? Oh, so, tuwing bibili sila, yung app nila ay ikan mo sa cashier, di ba?
Yes.
Okay.
Before silang bayad.
Okay, yan. I-explain mo nga.
Okay. Before po kami bayad dito sa Avenue by Day to Day, present ko yung Mercy application and then makaka-receive kayo ng points which is convertible into voucher, good as cash.
Okay.
And then, first time use, you'll get 10% discount.
Yan. Naka-live tayo eh. Bumati ka muna kasi isi-share ko lang itong live natin.
Hello po sa lahat ng viewers. Visit
Yan.
us here at Masaya Center near Metro Station, Dubai Mall.
Yan. Masaya Center. Anong oras tayo nagbubukas, Alan?
We are open 9 in the morning until 12 in the midnight.
12 and the midnight. Teka muna, imbitahin mo sila kasi every Saturday meron tayong game dito.
Yeah,
Yung dice game.
Yeah, we are having this every Saturday dice game po. And simple game lang dito sa Avenue by Day to Day. And kung sino yung lucky players na mapipili ni Sir Rico, sila yung maglalaro and pwede silang maka-achieve ng discount.
Oo. At saka, ang kagandahan kasi yung discount, no, halimbawa, 7 ang total. 70%.
Yeah.
Diba? So kung 10, 100% yun.
100%.
At saka kung 12, meron silang libreng voucher sa restaurant natin. No, alam mo ba kung anong restaurant?
Yeah, Bahar Restaurant.
Bahar Restaurant. Kung may 4 extra naman, no, kanong 6-6, nako, merong extra na 4 seats, no, para sa restaurant. So, ganyan katindi ang Avenue by Day to Day. Ngayon, umpisahan na nga natin, maghanap tayo. No, i-record mo na tayong kwan eh. No, so, ready ka na?
Ready na.
Okay. So, ngayon, hintayin muna natin yung signal ng posing natin, no? Inaanyayahan po namin yung mga kababayan natin. Ano ba ang mga price on sale ngayon, Alan?
We have special offers today, discounts sa mga kabayan items like banana ketchup, mga snacks,
Okay.
all Filipino items.
Yung mga nagaraya, yung mga gustong-gusto ng camera woman yan. Yung nagaraya, no?
Lahat
Oh.
ng Filipino items na namin.
Oh, sister, pwede kayo, interviewin ko sana si Madam eh, pero busy. No? We'd like to interview some people regarding their experience while shopping here at Avenue at Day to Day. So we will talk to them in a short while. I guess we're now ready to get. Good evening, Madam. How are you? It seems that you're buying a lot of things. Can I interview you for a while, Madam? Is it okay? You are in a hurry, okay? Because we have a game later on which you can join us.